Okay guys, it is another beautiful week, and of course guys, we will be checking out the trending market for the week. Okay, so we will be doing this together right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, before we go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that these are the assets we will be checking out, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be from the higher time frame, because we're looking at the market for a whole week. Okay, so and of course guys, it is advisable that you learn how to compare the higher time frame and the lower time frame together, so that you can have a good journey, trading activities whenever you are trading, since most of us will be trading on lower time frame. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay guys, this is Boom 1000. This was on uptrend before, but the trend came to an end at this resistance zone, and of course it started a downtrend right from there, even though it didn't go for too long. Okay, but at least it went for more than a week. Okay, so it got to this region and of course started going back up again, still unable to break out from that resistance zone, so it is on downtrend at the moment. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so for now this is more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is Boom 500. This had been on a very strong uptrend, but it got to this resistance zone and it was unable to break out above it, so it has been selling since then. So for the past few days it has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. We just need it to break out below this support zone and it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, next asset will be Crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is Crash 1000. It started an uptrend right from here, and remember when I did this analysis, and of course I told you that it's going to go back up, you can see it really went back up and got to this region. Okay, and of course guys, right from here it started a downtrend, got to this region, went back up again. This is a major pullback, came back down again, still went back up, and of course it's still trying to make an attempt to see if it will break out from this trend line. Okay, you can see it, and of course if it will break out from the horizontal line, if it breaks out from here, it will sell till it get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, then we should be expecting to get to this region. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, let's check out Crash 500. This is Crash 500. Crash 500 has been on downtrend for long, but got to this support zone, was unable to break out from here, so it has been playing around there for a while. But at the moment it's trying to see if it can pull up and buy for a while. Okay, and most especially once it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more, so we expect more of an uptrend from here, most especially once it breaks out above that resistance zone. Okay, next asset, which is going to be the last one, is Volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to the resistance zone and was unable to go below that, above that, so it started selling right from there after giving us a downtrend signal, and of course it sold till it got to this region, and this asset has been playing within this region. Okay, it will sell till it get to this lower support zone or lower part of the channel. When it will go back up to the upper part of the channel, then come down. It has not been able to break out from any of these line. Okay, so if it breaks out from any one of them, it will tell us the direction of the market, if it's going to keep on buying or keep on selling. Okay, so we should watch out for the breakout. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so guys, watch out for the breakout. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand the strategies very well before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.